Hello there. So in this particular video we are going to learn how to send template based emails through Mandrill with dynamic content. Okay, so this is I guess one of the best things that you can do with Mandrill uh, for sending emails, automated emails. And in this particular video we are going to take example of PHP. Right, we are going to use PHP, not JSON or other formats, but just PHP. Right, there are many more programming languages which you can use in order to send emails, but what you're going to learn in this video is pretty much similar, if not exactly the same, for other programming languages. Okay, so I'm going to use PHP. So if you just see this particular code provided by Mandrill, they have a lot of advantages and a lot of things that we can use in our email. For example, for sending a particular email using their email host. Also, you can copy that same email to various other people, right? As BCC, this is where you actually create copies of the email and send it to more people if you want to. And also you can add certain dynamic content using this global merge VARS, or you can also make use of the template content over here. In order to make use of a template based email, you need to mention the template name over here, and you need to mention your API key. And other things are pretty much straightforward: subject, from email, from name, and to the person. This will be replaced by your PHP variable. This will be replaced by again your PHP variable for name, and this you may again change to whatever you want. So the important things that we need to see here: if you want to add attachments, you can add attachment. If you want to add images, if you want to schedule the message to a particular time, you can also make use of send at variable. However, if you want to just trigger the mail at the particular instant itself, then you can remove that from the arguments of send template function, right? So this is it about the various specifics of this template, this API, right? It's pretty easy to use. So let's test it out. Okay. However, this is just the backend part, right? We need to edit also the template in order to replace certain text with the dynamic PHP variable content, right? So we'll see how to do that. So let's get back to the Mandrill email based template. So this is where you actually create a template based email design, right? A template for your email, and let's name it dynamic test. Okay, yeah, and just start coding. Alright, you see the name has been replaced, and you can add labels. You can add from address, you can add the name again, you can add subject, right? So let's give it an address, right? So I don't know, let's say hello at youtube.com. about it. From name is Google. Subject is, let's say, testing dynamic content, right? Alright, so this is about it. Now the next thing that we want to do is we want to create a template, right? Since this is a basic tutorial, I'm not going to use any template or whatever. I'm just going to write hello, okay, div, close the div, I'm gonna write something over here. So hello, first name, right? I'm gonna write okay, and let's also add a tag h1 again, and let's write here company name, right? So this is I don't know if you can see this, right? Alright. Oh yeah, I guess now you can see it. So this is the company name, and this is hello and first name, right? So yeah, let's just add a bit of more content here. So okay, but wait one sec. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to write MC edit company, let's say, and this will be MC edit. You should remember this particular element name, because this is what you will need when you are trying to run our email template. So fine, this is it. Now once you have done this, we can just save this, and once you've saved it, we can publish it, right? Yeah, we have published it. Now let's do a send test here, right? Okay, one sec. Alright, so now we'll do a send test, and in the send test we will see that the company name is not replaced by any other dynamic content, and even this hello name is also not replaced, right? So alright, you can mail me your doubts if you want to this email, and if you click on this, there's only spam in this, so I don't really use this. Alright. Yeah, so we received it, but it is going in spam. So Mandrill mail is going in spam. This is something new, right? Because we are sending it from youtube.com. I don't know what's the reason, but this is how it is, right? So let me just remove it from spam. Yeah, right. Okay, so as you can see here, we have company name, and here you have hello first name. This first name is not replaced, and this company name is not replaced because, you know, we are not provided it with a variable. So however, we are going to change that. We are going to use this particular code. We're going to send an email with the dynamic content. Okay, so alright, new. So let me name it dynamic testing test.php. Alright, so yeah, now here I need to place my API key, which I cannot show right now, but template name I can particularly replace with our template name. That's it. Template name is dynamic test, so paste that. Then example array content, right? This we need to replace. So we'll check it out what we need to do, but for now let's just keep it as it is. Template slug and all we need not replace. Here we need not do anything. Text nothing. Subject can we replace? Subject we can say it as, you know, this test email subject, right? I'm not sure you can see this, but this is test email subject, and from email, as I said, google.com, right? I mean hello at youtube.com. Now you can just write your own domain name. For instance, mine is host and hostempire.com. So not a problem at all. From name is host empire, right? And email address, to email address, yeah, to again you can replace with a PHP variable. I can just show that to you, right? I'll just write an email address. Email equals to, yeah, my way, yeah. So I just copy this email. I can paste it here, right? And receiver's name, I can replace it to the name that I like. So I can write Zane, and after that reply to some mail, something. Do not copy this to anybody. Alright, okay, so now let's get back to content, right? So let's say I want to add, instead of company name, I want to add, let's say, company variable which stores any value you can give. Let's say in my case its name is host empire, right? Host empire. And I'm gonna replace this over here. I'm gonna name it. So this in the content is company, so I can write company here as well, right? And now let's say you want to replace more content in this particular template based email, so you can replace that as well. So in my case it was first name, and in the second case we want to replace name with something else. So let's say name equals to Suzanne, right? Wait a second, there should be semicolon, yeah. So name, right? Oh, that's it. Wait, there is something more to do here. We are not adding any images or attachments or even Google Analytics. We don't need all this, right? Yeah. So I'm replacing that, and send at is also not required as an argument because we do not want to schedule the email and we want to send it as a transactional email, right? And we need to replace our API key, right? So 1 second, I'll just pause the video here. Alright, I've replaced it, and now we should be good to go. I'm not sure, but we should be good to go. Okay, so this is something more useful if you want to know more about this global merge wheres and other things. This is something that you can learn from an article on Mandrill itself, right? So I don't need to do that. Let's upload our file dynamic test onto my server, and let's check it out. hostempire.net, hostempire slash what was the name of the file? Dynamic test.php. I hope there's no error. Oh, it's uploaded successfully. Mandrill not found. Okay. Oh, I forgot. We need to include the library, right? 1 sec. I'll just yeah, I just need to tell you this. You need to include the library file, right? So there is a library file. The link for getting the library file is in the description, so you need not worry about it. Just download it and upload it onto the same folder where you are uploading your file, where you are uploading this particular file dynamic test, you know, whatever is your file name is through which you are sending the email, right? So I guess okay, so it will take time for me to search it, so I'm going to pause this video. Alright, so once you have uploaded this Mandrill API PHP folder, also in the description, into your folder where you have this dynamic template based email page uploaded, you can add this line require once Mandrill API PHP / src / mandrill.php onto your page, and then okay, so then you can upload it. That's it, right? So this particular file I can upload and check if it is working, right? Let's reload. See, I got the answer as sent. Let me check my email. Oh, it went to spam again. Yeah, so see, this is the test email subject. Okay, this is replaced, the company name is replaced by Host Empire, and hello first name, right? I guess first name didn't change. Okay, I guess I have to make the change again. Okay, so yeah, company to company, first name to name. Name was I guess that's the other. Okay, so okay, yeah. So what you need to do now is I need to replace with first name. I don't know what is the issue there. Certainly, okay, I guess there is an issue with okay, FIR name is what is written here, right? Okay, let's not change it. Let's not change it here. Rather, we'll change it here. So if it is FIR name, we'll just keep it FIR name here as well, and then we'll upload again, and let's try it again, right? What the hell? Okay. Alright, so let's reload again. But okay. I just need to pause the video a bit. In case you're thinking why did I pause the video, I had to replace my API key again, and I didn't want to show it, right? So now that I have changed it to a good API key, now I'm uploading it and overwriting the original file, and let's reload again and let's check and receive an email. Okay, again in spam. Yeah, this is the second one, and as you can see, Host Empire, hello Suzanne. So first name is replaced with Suzanne, right? Now if you see here, what I did was company was replaced with company variable, and FIR name, first name was replaced with name, and I got this email in this way. But this is how to basically send dynamic emails, right? So that's about it. Now in case you have any issues, you can comment below, and I will try my best to answer your questions, right? So this is one of the best things that you can do through Mandrill, and you can send as nice content as you want, right? So that's about it, and so I hope you will subscribe and like and share this video for your friends also to know how to do this, and also I will ask you if you would like to have a website of your own, right? And if you want any help with that, you need cheaper hosting or something, you can always go to hostempire.net and get hosting as affordable or inexpensive as $5 for unlimited hosting for 1 year, right? As affordable as that. So this is what I'm working on, and unlimited space. By unlimited I mean unlimited storage space, right? So you can check it out, and it's much more cheaper than the $100 that you might spend on some other websites like HostGator and GoDaddy, right? So that's about it. Quality is something that is unquestionable, because I have been using it for more than a year now, and it's great, just great. And that's about it. So if you want cheaper hosting, you can go to hostempire.net, and if you have any questions, if you want, you can also check out my blog, where I explain in detail about sending emails and many more amazing stuff, many more innovative stuff that we do, which is new to the world. I can say that for sure. Okay, it's new. That's all I can say. I wouldn't say that it's really the best thing in the world, but at least it's something new, and you can try it out, and those ideas you might modify in your projects and use them, right? So that's all for now, and thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, and share. Okay, have a good day.